Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear kids. How are you? It's okay. Let's begin today's class. The last class we finished a new poem, The Blue Little Daisies, and we finished the question answers and the comprehension. All the part we finished. And today we are going to move a new lesson. Okay, are you ready to listen to me? Yes. First time I am going to ask a question to you. Have you seen a hare and a tortoise? Have you seen a hare? Hare means a type of rabbit. Have you seen a hare and a tortoise? Do you know how do they move? How do they move? Yes, the hare moves very fast and the tortoise moves very slowly. And the question number 2, why does a tortoise have a shell on its body? Can you see a tortoise? Yes, the tortoise have a shell on its body. And then why does a tortoise have a shell on its body? Yeah, the tortoise lives inside a shell. Yes, we know that. The tortoise, അല്ലേ, ആമയുടെ മുകളിൽ വലിയൊരു ഷെല്ലുണ്ട് അല്ലേ, നമ്മളൊക്കെ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണത്, എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് അത് വെച്ചത്? യെസ്, a tortoise lives inside a shell. The shell protects its soft body from enemies and from getting hurt. അപ്പോൾ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് അത് ടോർട്ടോയ്സിനെ സൃഷ്ടിച്ച അള്ളാഹു തന്നെ ടോർട്ടോയ്സിന് എന്തിനാണ് അങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഷെല്ല് കൊടുത്തത്? യെസ്, ടു പ്രൊട്ടക്റ്റ് the body from enemies and from getting hurt. Okay, and today we are going to read a story about a race between a hare and a tortoise. That is our new story, the hare and the tortoise. Okay, this is our 7th lesson in your English textbook, the tortoise and the hare. The tortoise and the hare. Okay, first all of you look at the warm-up page. Have you ever run in a race? Help Isha reach the finishing line. Okay, all of you do this work in your textbook. Okay, this is your warm-up work. And then let's begin our story. Okay, now read the story of a race between a hare and a tortoise. Okay, the hare means a kind of large rabbit. Hare means a kind of a large rabbit, another type of a rabbit. Okay. One day, hare meets tortoise. നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവൂലേ ഹെയറിൻ്റെ ടോർട്ടോയ്സിൻ്റെ സ്റ്റോറി? ഓക്കെ. One day, hare meets tortoise. The hare said to the tortoise, "Where are you going? Where are you going?" At that time, the tortoise replies, "I'm going to that field. I'm hungry. I want to eat the yellow corn." The tortoise replied, "I'm going to that field. I'm hungry. I want to eat the yellow corn." At that time, "I'm going to the field too." The hare also said, "I'm going to the field too. I want to eat the corn too. I want to eat the corn too." Okay, you are very slow. I can't run fast. The hare said to the tortoise, "You are very slow. I can't run fast." At that time, the tortoise said, "I'm slow and steady, so I will reach the field first. I'm slow and steady, so I will reach the field first." How can the slow man reach the field first? Okay, നമുക്ക് നോക്കാമല്ലേ എങ്ങനെ അവർ ഫസ്റ്റ് എത്തിയെന്ന്. Then, "No, I will reach the field first." The first time the tortoise said, "I am slow and steady, so I will reach the field first." The hare said to the tortoise, "How can you reach the field first? But because you are very slow and at that time the the rabbit said, the hare said, no, I will reach the field first. Ha, let's have a race. Ha, let's have a race. The tortoise said, oh, okay, let's have a race. Okay. And then they starts the race. The tortoise and the hare starts the race. 1, 2, 3, go. Hare starts running quickly. At that time the hare starts running quickly. Tortoise is far behind the hare. Tortoise is far behind. At that time, the hare said, it is a hot day. Soon, hare feels tired. After running fast, the hare feels tired. It is a hot day. Soon, hare feels tired. Let me rest under this tree. Then I will finish the race. Let me rest under the trees. Then I will finish the race. Hare sits down. Soon he falls asleep. Then the tortoise walks down the road. He is slow, but he does not stop. He walks past hare. What happened to the hare? When the time of tiredness, he sits under the tree, and at that time he goes to sleep. Yes, at that time the tortoise came slowly, and tortoise walks down the road. He is slow, but he does not stop. He walks past hare. Soon, hare wake up. What happened there? What he saw at that time? He saw wake up. Oh no, tortoise is near the field of corn. He saw the tortoise is near the field of corn. Oh no, the tortoise is near the field of corn. What is tortoise? And hare runs to the field. At that time the hare runs to the field. Tortoise is already eating corn in the field. Hare runs to the field. At that time tortoise is already eating corn in the field. This corn is so sweet. The tortoise said, this corn is so sweet. Yes, what happened? Who is the winner? Yes, the first time the tortoise said, I am slow and steady, but I will reach the field first. But the hare said, no, I am very fast. I will reach the field first. But what happened at last? Yes, at last the tortoise reached the field first, and he eats the corn first. What happened? Yes, on the way the hare feels tired and she sits under a tree. At that time he goes to sleep. At that time the tortoise walked down the road, and he is slow, but he does not stop. He walks past hare. This is the story of the tortoise and the hare. And you understand the story? Yes. Then I am going to ask some question to check your understanding. Okay. Who did hare meet one day? Who did hare meet one day? Yes, the hare meet tortoise. Where is tortoise going? Yes, the tortoise going to the field to eat the corn. And why did hare also want to go? Yes, hares want to go to the field because he also want to eat the corn too. Why does tortoise think that he can reach the field first? Yes, the tortoise thinks that he is slow and steady. The tortoise thinks that he is slow and steady. And who actually runs faster? Yes, the hare runs faster. Okay, why did they have a race? Yes, to see who would reach the field first. Okay, and who runs faster when they begin the race? Who runs faster at the beginning of the race? Yes, of course, the hare runs fast at the beginning of the race. Why does hare rest under a tree? The hare rest under a tree? Because he was sleepy, he was tired. At that time, he rests under a tree. What happens when he sleeps? What happened? Yes, the tortoise walks down the road. He's slow, but he does not stop. He walks past the hare. And who wins the race? Who wins the race? Yes, of course, the tortoise wins the race. What do you learn from the story? Okay, then all of you look here. Say true or not true. The first sentence is tortoise wants to race his with hare. Tortoise wants to race with hare. Is the sentence true or false? Yes, sentence is correct. True. The tortoise wants to race with hare. The sentence is correct. This one is true. And the next sentence is tortoise starts running quickly. Tortoise starts running quickly. Is it correct? Who runs quickly at first? Who starts running quickly at first? Yes, the hare starts running quickly. But here the sentence is tortoise starts running quickly. Is the sentence true or false? The sentence is not true. Not true. And the third sentence, hare says that tortoise is very slow. Hare says that tortoise is very slow. Is it correct? Yes, the hare says to the tortoise, you are very slow. Is this correct? It's true. And the next one is 1, 2, 3, go is how a race starts. ഇങ്ങനെയല്ലേ എപ്പോഴും റേസ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക 1, 2, 3, go. Yes, sentence is correct. Complete these sentences. Some two sentences are incomplete sentences are here. You complete the sentences. The first sentence is hare is feeling dash. Hare is feeling dash. What is the feeling of the hare? Yeah, hare is feeling tired. Hare is feeling tired. And the next one is the corn tastes dash. The corn taste is sweet or sour. Yes, the corn sweet. You write it here, the word sweet. Okay, all of you take your notebook and write it down. First the name of the lesson, the tortoise and the hare, and write it down the new words. Hare, tortoise, slow, steady and tired. Write it down all these words in your notebook. Okay, let's wind up today's class. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.